So today I want to go through the creditor and tradespeople compliance checklist. So firstly have a look at either your Google Drive, your Dropbox, or the file structure. It's something on your server. So basically what I've done is I've created this checklist of or the file structure. So what we've got is we've got 28 different suppliers in through to here. These may or may not be the same suppliers that you use. You can put them in yourself. So EBM insurance, that could just be landlord's insurance, for example. But the file structure is this. So inside, if we just have a look at the plumbing contractors, so inside the plumbing contractors, you might have 3, 4, 5, 6 different contractors that are approved, registered, and you've got compliance details, and that they are approved for the property management department to be able to use when there's a maintenance request. So inside of those, this is really for either an office manager, maybe a department head, someone who's overseeing the regular documentation and the onboarding of new trades. So there's 28 in through to here as an example. Now, if we just come back through to here, the first one is the checklist that you're going to copy, and the example of that is here. So this is the checklist. So you'll notice that they're all numbered, and the reasons why we number them is simply because if it has a numerical number in through to here, it will always create that order. So if there's something that's missing, then we have, say for example, 3 was missing. Someone accidentally deleted that. You can tell straight away 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, something is actually missing. So this is the checklist. So inside of, if we've got 6 plumbing contractors, you would actually have this inside. So inside the plumbing contractor, you might have their name as ABC and Sons Plumbing Contractors. And then they've got your qualifications and licenses, their ABN search. You'll just go to do a Google search, an ABN search, the free search, have that on file. Their insurances. I would also be creating a diary note to make sure that you update those. You might want to do it on an annual basis. You might do it twice a year. My suggestion was probably do twice a year, and you update all of them that are required. You can create Trello boards for this, or for your compliance updates. Or you can probably just put them as a task inside of Property Me, Tree, or Console. The agency agreement, that's really important. You've got an agreement on file, plus also have police checks and photo ID. Okay, so we'll just come back through to here. We've then also got the register, and this is the best practice document, and of course this can be altered to your company name, but this is the document that really should be what I've created in here is a checklist. And if you've got this information, if you've got all this information stored here on file, this is really what should be created before a tradesperson's or a trades company is actually brought onto your list, what they provide, any details that are sitting inside of there as well. So you just fill this document in. It's editable. Fill this document in, and I'm just going to jump out of that and fill it in, and then scan it and save it into the system. There's also the compliance register, which is 545, which is over here. I'm just going to go back to there. Here's all the information that's required for each particular company, again, using that register. So we're going to go to 1817 again, which is where we were. Now, this is just really the structure of this. So you've got your 6 items. Inside of here, you've got your 6 items that really need to be. You might have more. You might have more things that are saved for each property, for each tradesperson. But then if you've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different trades, then you might have those sitting inside your folder. But this really gives you an indication. So as I said, there's 28 sitting inside of here. So you've got cleaners. You might have multiple cleaners, a couple of gardeners, different handymen sitting inside of there. Air conditioning contractors might be different to your plumbers, pest control, roller door specialists, heating, cooling. Locksmiths inside of there as well, fencing contractors. Then you've got your appliance repair people, carpet, window furnishings, smoke detectors coming up here soon, shower repairs and so forth. And then you would just have all of these sitting there. So I'm about to run out of time, but this is what you would have to manage all of your trades. Thanks, guys.